On the count of 3, I want you to toss it straight up above your head. Okay, big toss? All right, we'll have to get Miles back. Okay, hang on just a second. Miles, we gotta get her straight. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Big toss! No problem. We got it back up. Okay, this time, straight up, okay? Right up above your head, real high, okay? 1, 2, 3! There's that toss! Great catch! Big round of applause for our volunteers. You did great. Wow, that was perfect, folks. That's why you don't find a lot of flying grapes up in the forests of Africa. They don't stand a chance with birds like that around. That was Miles, our trumpeter hornbill. And that was perfect, yeah. Well, if you guys like Miles, you're in for a treat. We have all sorts of amazing birds for you today. Intelligent birds, colorful birds, maybe even 1 or 2 strange birds. So if you have cameras or video cameras, keep them out because photo opportunities are going to be all over.
All right, there you are. Now this is the second time I've lost
you guys
tour group today, so I think we better have a little review, people. Yeah, I'm the tour guide. It's the flag. You follow the flag and stay with me, people. That's how it works. Yeah.
Excuse me. Hi. Can I help you?
All right now, people, I got bad passes to a very educational film called Marsupial Madness, or My Mom's Couch is My Couch. Does that sound like fun? Yeah. It's about kangaroos.
Yeah, we're just starting a show.
Oh, you're doing a show! Oh, my God. I'm sorry. Is this one of those Polynesian luau shows? People, the hands tell a story.
Who are you?
I am the god of all things tourist. I am Guano
Sweet. No way.
Wait.
No way. Iguano Joe.
No, you've heard of me.
Well, yeah, world famous explorer and adventurer. Sounds like you're a tour guide now, huh?
Well, yes, as a matter of fact, I am, and you would be.
Chris, I'm embarrassed I didn't remember.
No, well, don't worry about it. I'm embarrassed that I ruined their little show.
Actually, it would mean a lot to me if you would stay.
Oh, really?
You're like a celebrity guest. How about that?
Well, that would be kind of
Fine.
fun.
He's going to help us out with the rest of the birds in the show, guys. This is going to be great.
Little birds.
Birds.
There are birds in the show.
That's a bird show. Like,
I didn't know that. You know what? We're far too busy. And we're going to have to leave right now. Yeah, because I got 30. No, I got nothing. No.
They're chickens.
They're only brave like this because it's Sunday and they know Chick-fil-A is closed.
Okay?
Oh, Chris, you don't understand. I suffer from a very serious condition.
Really?
Yes, I suffer from FOB.
What's FOB?
No fear of birds. I am terrified of birds.
Well, we're going to have birds all over the place.
What do you mean?
As a matter of fact, our next bird's right behind you. It's okay, though. No, it's okay. This is called the collar raven. Very interesting bird, guys. See, they look a little bit different than the
He took my flag. Chris, he just took my flag. My tour flag.
Oh.
I'm going to lose to the prophet.
Joe?
I need my flag.
But Collar Raven stole the flag.
Yeah, I know. I need my flag.
Joe, I don't think it's coming back.
What?
You didn't need it, did you?
Yes, Chris, I need it. I don't think my tour group is really going to want to follow the stick. All the other tour guides are going to make fun of me. Yeah, they're all going to say, look at Joe waving the stick, but he doesn't have a flag.
No. Okay. Well, then I say we take this as a sign. Sign that you're meant to stay. Help us out with the rest of the show. We'll help you get over your fear. Guys, come on, Joe, to stay, right?
Now, this is unusual because this tour group has been trying to lose me all day today. You know what? I will stay. Under one condition.
Okay.
I would like to see a little bird that was riding a bicycle. And put a little sailor hat on him at the same time. You know, kind of like, oh, I missed the boat. Better catch the boat.
Yeah.
Get me to the dock.
Joe, that would be cute. We like to feature natural behaviors in this show.
What's more natural than a bird on a bike?
Well, have you ever seen like a bird ride a bike in the wild?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah, in 1983, I saw a bird ride a bike. I did. I was at a Pink Floyd concert. I saw a lot more than a bird on a bike that day, too.
Yeah. I think that was an exception. Joe,
Really?
We don't have a bird that right now.
Oh.
But we do have a very talented parrot we can bring out for you. He's a little bird. We'll bring him out center stage. I think you'll really like him.
You're going to bring a parrot out here?
Yeah.
All right, Chris, seriously, I need someplace to hide dinner. stand at a distance. I can't be
Okay.
close.
Well, why don't you just wait right over there by that tree?
By the tree.
Yeah.
Will I be safe?
Sure. Birds hate trees.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, Joe, while you're over there, can I get your help?
What do you need?
I need a young volunteer from your tour group.
Oh, okay. What are you looking for?
Okay, here's what I need. I need someone between the ages of 8 and 10, but they need to be pretty good at math. And Joe, you're going to pick them out and take them all the way down to the end.
Between the ages of 8 and 10, like a math. I'm going to take that young lady back there at the big top. There you go. Come right over here.
All right, sweet. All the way down to the end of the stage. We'll get ready for this bird. Now, most of you have probably heard of talking parrots before. Might surprise you to learn that talking for a parrot is actually a natural behavior. See, what they're doing is copying or mimicking sounds in their environment. Parrot out in the wild will copy the sounds of other birds and animals. Thanks, Jonathan. But sometimes when you have a parrot as a pet, they can learn to copy household sounds, and that can sound a whole lot like talking. This is Keebler. He's an African gray parrot. We're just going to let him introduce himself. Can you say hi, Keebler? Hi, Keebler. There you go. A little bit of that mimicry we're talking about. Joe, who do we have?
Go ahead and say your name right into the microphone.
Tracy.
This is Tracy.
There you go.